What if I told you that building wealth isn't reserved for the lucky few or those born into privilege? What if you could unlock the same financial strategies that the world's wealthiest have been using for decades? Buckle up. Fast Lane to Wealth. Secrets to Getting Rich is here to equip you with practical wisdom and financial strategies that can change the course of your life. The truth is, there's no hidden formula or overnight success, but there are practical steps that anyone, including you, can take to build a path to financial freedom. It's not about where you start, it's about what you do with what you have right now. Wealth isn't accidental, it's deliberate. It's built through strategy, self-improvement, and consistent action. Let's unleash financial literacy and explore the powerful habits and tools that can elevate your life. Whether you want to retire early, build passive income, or master your money mindset, this video will show you exactly how to take control of your financial future, starting today. If you've ever dreamed of achieving financial freedom, of reaching that point where money works for you and not the other way around, then stick with me to the very end. Together, we'll explore the secrets to mastering financial education, and you'll discover why understanding the time value of money could be your biggest breakthrough. Whether you're curious about dividend investing, real estate investing, or want to retire early by following the FIRE movement, this video covers it all. We're not just here to talk theory. It's about actionable wisdom, practical wisdom, that's right. If you're ready to unleash your financial literacy mastery, then let's dive in. One of the most crucial things wealthy people do that many don't is invest early. Why? Because of compound interest. Let's take a quick example. Say you invest $5,000 a year starting at age 25, earning 8% annually. If you stop investing after 10 years and let that money grow untouched until you retire, you could end up with close to $1 million. That's the beauty of compound interest. It rewards consistency, even more than a high starting balance. But for most of us, it's not just about investing in the stock market or understanding finance jargon. It's about having the right money mindset shifts for financial freedom. That's why financial literacy for kids, and even personal finance for teenagers, is crucial. Imagine if we were all taught about the stock market for beginners in school. If we had mastered budgeting and financial planning early on, how much farther along would we be today? One of the greatest investors, Warren Buffett, attributes his success to both knowledge and discipline. His strategy, centered around index funds and dividend investing, reflects his philosophy of long-term growth. But how does that apply to you? Well, how to make money and keep it requires building multiple income streams. This includes learning how to budget effectively, saving while young, and understanding concepts like cash flow. Let's talk about how to get rich. For most people, it boils down to two things: smart income generation and keeping expenses low. You might have heard about passive income streams like real estate investing, or how to make money online through various side hustles. These methods are proven paths to increase your cash flow and create financial independence. But remember, income is only one side of the equation. Wealth building happens when you master how to budget properly. Think about this. Why is financial literacy important? Without it, even high-income earners often struggle with managing their money. Financial management isn't about restricting yourself. It's about freeing yourself from financial stress. And one of the most effective ways to do this is by tracking your spending and making sure your money aligns with your values and goals. It's not about deprivation, it's about intentionality. When inflation rises, the value of every dollar in your bank account shrinks. That's why investing is essential. You need your money to grow faster than inflation. Real estate, the stock market, and index funds are excellent ways to protect your wealth. Investing for beginners can seem overwhelming, but the trick is to start simple. If you're not comfortable picking individual stocks, go for index funds. They track the entire market, so your investment grows as the market grows. The goal here isn't just to make money, it's to achieve financial independence, retire early, and create a future where your time is yours to control. This brings us to the FIRE movement, financial independence, retire early. People following this movement save aggressively and invest wisely to retire decades before the typical retirement age. Early retirement isn't just a dream. It's a carefully executed plan that requires financial literacy mastery, retirement planning, and meticulous budgeting. And here's a little-known secret. Saving alone won't make you rich. You have to put your money to work. This is where investment opportunities like real estate investing and dividend stocks come in. When you buy assets that generate income, even when you're not actively working, you're on your way to true financial freedom. Financial literacy for kids can be a game changer. If we teach children the principles of how to budget and how to invest early on, they'll be miles ahead by the time they enter adulthood. Schools often neglect personal finance for beginners, leaving young adults to learn through trial and error. But what if we could equip them with the tools and knowledge right from the start? A solid foundation in personal finance helps young people develop the right habits, empowering them to make smarter financial decisions. Let's not forget the time value of money. Money today is worth more than the same amount in the future because of its earning potential. If you invest $1,000 today at a 10% interest rate, in 10 years that money will grow to over $12,500 without you doing anything. This is why starting early matters, even if you're only investing a small amount at the beginning. One of the most accessible ways to build wealth today is by leveraging the internet. If you've ever wondered how to make money online, the opportunities are endless. From freelancing platforms to e-commerce stores, the digital world offers ways to create both active and passive income. Platforms like YouTube, blogs, and affiliate marketing let you generate income while you sleep. At the same time, it's essential to invest in your personal development. The wealthiest people are committed to self-improvement. They never stop learning. The more financial education you acquire, the better prepared you'll be to seize opportunities and avoid costly mistakes. So where do you start? First, get your budgeting under control. Second, invest regularly, even if you're starting small. And third, diversify your income streams. Don't rely on just one source of income. Explore dividend investing, the stock market, and real estate. Your goal should be to develop a money management system that works for you, whether it's automating your savings or building a cash flow. Positive real estate portfolio consistency is key. Don't forget the power of index funds, especially if you're just getting started with investing. And here's something crucial. Finance is as much about mindset as it is about numbers. Shifting your money mindset is essential to breaking free from limiting beliefs about wealth. Many people believe that only the lucky few get rich. But the truth is, with the right knowledge, anyone can achieve financial freedom. In summary, the path to wealth requires a combination of financial literacy, self-discipline, and long-term planning. Whether you're learning about personal finance for beginners or taking steps to improve your financial literacy mastery, every effort you make brings you closer to the life you want. Before we wrap up, here's one final thought. Don't be afraid to dream big. Whether you aspire to early retirement or want to retire early through the FIRE movement, the first step is believing that it's possible. Your wealth-building journey starts today, and every small action counts. As we come to the end of this journey, let's reflect on everything we've uncovered. The road to wealth is not a shortcut or a lottery ticket. It's a strategic, well-planned journey that anyone can embark on with the right mindset and tools. Financial freedom is not reserved for the fortunate few, but is achievable for those willing to take control of their money and commit to consistent self-improvement. The foundation lies in understanding financial literacy, the ability to manage money wisely, invest for the future, and make informed decisions. We've seen how the time value of money works, emphasizing the importance of investing early. Compound interest is your best friend, multiplying your wealth over time if you start now, even with small amounts. Learning how to budget, track your expenses, and prioritize saving helps you build habits that lead to financial independence. We explored multiple income streams, from dividend investing and real estate investing to online ventures that generate passive income. These avenues demonstrate that building wealth isn't limited to just high salaries. Rather, it's about turning your income into assets that work for you. Even a simple investment in index funds can outpace inflation and grow your wealth over the years. Financial icons like Warren Buffett emphasize patience, discipline, and long-term strategies. Success doesn't require chasing trends or stock picking. With consistent investments and financial education, wealth creation becomes achievable. The FIRE movement, Financial Independence, Retire Early, teaches that early retirement isn't just about earning more, but living below your means, saving aggressively, and investing wisely. The real goal isn't just early retirement, but gaining control of your time and creating a life with freedom and choices. By adopting sound financial habits, you can build a future where you prioritize what truly matters. We also touched on why financial literacy must start early. Teaching kids and teenagers about personal finance equips them to avoid costly mistakes and build a solid financial future. Schools may not always provide this knowledge, but it's never too late to educate yourself and those around you. Whether you're just learning how to budget or diving deeper into investing for beginners, every step forward matters. The beauty of financial freedom is that it offers peace of mind. Knowing you have the resources to support yourself and your loved ones provides emotional and mental well-being. It's not just about becoming wealthy. It's about creating a life of security and opportunity. Your future is shaped by the decisions you make today, and wealth is built one smart financial choice at a time. So where do you go from here? Start small, start now. Build your knowledge, take action, and stay consistent. Whether it's setting up your first budget, making your first investment, or exploring new ways to generate income, every effort counts. Wealth is not beyond your reach. It's within your grasp if you commit to learning and growing along the way. Thank you for joining me on this journey. If you found value in this video, please like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Together, we can continue exploring more ways to achieve financial freedom and unlock your true potential. This is just the beginning. Your fast lane to wealth awaits. Thanks for watching.